Hello, I'm Lee from Kaspersky, and in these set of videos I'm going to show you how you can effectively use Kaspersky Endpoint Security Cloud as an MSP. As an MSP, you're responsible for securing your customers' devices, and it's a big responsibility. So having the ability to supply very strong protection through simplistic wizard-based management becomes really effective in utilising MSP's time and also adding value back to your customer. Endpoint Security Cloud comes in two licensing types, Cloud and Cloud Plus, and this gives MSPs to utilise different functionality within the product specific to what the customer's requirements are, whether that is stuff like threat detection and prevention, hardening, patch management, and encryption. So in these set of videos, we'll show you how to create a multi-tenancy environment and then how you can utilise some of the built-in behaviour within Endpoint Cloud to maximise your MSP's effectiveness for your customer. So thank you for watching, goodbye.